Hi, this is just a short video just to explain to you how to use Google Classroom and how to do the reflection papers. So let me start off by saying, why are we doing reflection papers? It's only a 6-week class. I admittedly I'm always a little bit torn about doing reflection papers or discussions, because most people just post things at the very last minute, and then people reply only because they're required to. And so it's a very halting kind of conversation, kind of like being forced when you're a kid to have to talk to an adult. Like, no one wants to do it, right? The adult doesn't want to have to hear the kid, and the kid doesn't want to have to talk to the adult. I don't want this to be like that. I think with any class, there needs to be something where you are showing some engagement with the material. And because I'm letting you work ahead as much as you want, and in fact, I think some people are going to probably do the entire course in like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I want to allow everyone the chance to just write a reflection paper instead of a discussion, so that people can just write their paper and then they're done. So to do that, I think the best way to do it is doing it through Google Classroom. So let me walk you through what Google Classroom looks like. So what you can see here is that I'm typing in the website classroom.google.com. And then what you need to do, the one important thing to do would be to check here in the upper right hand corner. And you'll see here that obviously I have a personal account and I have my UH account. Make sure that you're logged in as on your UH account. And then you would see our course, Introduction to Economics. Now, when you do this the first time, you're not going to see this. Yours is going to be blank unless someone else you know is using it. To add this course the first time, what you need to do is you need to use this code, which is located in the syllabus. You need to you need to click this plus sign in the upper right hand corner, and you need to click Join Class. After you click Join Class, you'll then put in that code that I gave you, and you'll then join the class. Let's look at the class itself. So in the class itself, you see all of the topics, and I'll try to reorder these so that it looks a little bit that's in the order that we're doing things. But let's just start with topic 2, because the first one's just an introduction. Okay. So the idea is that what you are seeing is basically this. You will see an article here with some instructions, and you'll see an article to read. The idea is that you'll read the article, and you basically can structure it as 3 paragraphs. In the first paragraph, you will just be doing a summary of the article. It doesn't need to be that long. In the second paragraph, you'll be outlining the economic concepts that are contained in the article. And in the third paragraph, you'll be sharing your thoughts, opinions, and anything else. And then you'll submit it. And for me, it'll all show up here. And you basically just need to do that for each of each of these 12 topics. Again, you can work ahead as much as you want. There's no real limits on anything. And the first one's a really easy one, just with an introduction of yourself. And your grades for these, once I grade them, they're set as return, and I probably won't grade things until the due date. That way I'm kind of fair in my grading, that I'll have read everyone's topic 1 and topic 2 on June 3rd, right? The day after, June 2nd, et cetera, et cetera. Okay, and then it'll show you what your grade is, and if you have any questions or concerns or even technical questions about how to do this, let me know. But again, the reason why I'm using Google Classroom is that it also allows me pretty easily to give you comments back about what you wrote and other such things. Okay.